Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Can you tell I am excited? I am so excited because I have partnered with King of Christmas to share a beautiful Christmas tree. Yay! So I'm going to take this tree into my family room, and my hubby and I will put it together, and I will tell you more about this tree. Now this tree is a 7-foot Hancock Spruce artificial Christmas tree, and it has 410 warm LED white lights. As you can see here, my hubby and I are fluffing the tree. She is so beautiful, and I cannot wait to decorate it. Now this Hancock Spruce Christmas tree from King of Christmas offers the splendor of a beautiful full-bodied Christmas tree to enliven your home this holiday season. It is 7 feet tall, 50 inches wide, it's pre-strung, warm LED lights, and on and off foot pedal. It has several light settings. The first one is steady, the second is continuous on and off fade, the third is 70% brightness, the fourth is 30% brightness. It has classic needle tips. It has hinge sections for easy setup. The tree height includes the tree stand, and it comes with a protective glove to shape your tree into style. Bring this timeless beauty and effortless magic of Christmas home this year with this stately and regal Hancock Spruce Christmas tree from King of Christmas. Information about this tree or King of Christmas will be listed in my description box down below. They are offering a 10% coupon code to all of my Diva family members using Diva Designing on a Dime, and I will have all of this information and the affiliate link listed in my description box down below. So let the fun begin. I am getting ready to decorate my tree, and I will come to you with a video on how I decorated this tree real soon. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I am so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. To all of my faithful and returning Diva family members, I am so thankful, grateful, and blessed that you are a part of this family. Thank you all for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.